Hey everybody, it's Joy Verts here, and today I'm going to show you how to stop getting clients that only want to pay low prices for photography. In other words, I want to help you get higher ticket photography clients that you can use to run your studio easier and be more profitable. And if you'd like to talk more in depth about this and exactly how to do it, check out joyfreeclass.com. It's a totally free masterclass over at joyfreeclass.com. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So here's the reason why a lot of photographers are getting low price clients. At one point in your photography career, probably when you started as a lower priced photographer in order to attract clients and get exposure. And you got some clients, they loved you, and everything was awesome. But then those clients went out and told their friends, and they also wanted a lower priced photographer. So the whole snowball just kind of started, and every client that you got from there was also a low price photographer seeker. So that's the problem. Your current stream of clients might be coming from your past clients, and that stream is made up of only lower priced clients. So in order to get the higher priced clients, you need a new stream. And here's who those clients are and where you can find them. The ticket to higher price clients is you want self-motivated clients. They go out of their way to actively look for the photographer that they want. And they're not waiting around to see if a friend can tell them about a good photographer with low prices. Instead, they're looking for a great photographer, and they're willing and able to pay the right price for one. And in every market, there's lots of people just like them. You just need to know where to find them and how to get in front of them. So here's the where. Google knows that there's people actively looking for photography. So Google is going to be your best friend. And we found that clients that find us on Google are really the best type of clients because they're self-motivated, they tend to be higher ticket clients, and they don't necessarily haggle on prices. They're able to do their research right on our site and can qualify themselves. And those are the type of photography clients that we want to get in front of. And the best thing is that Google can send you any type of motivated clients that you want. It could be wedding, newborn, high school seniors, boudoir, engagement, pet, anything. So whether you need clients with money to spend, you can absolutely find them on Google. And it doesn't matter what type of photography you do. Google can send them right to you. And here's how. First, you need to know the hot keywords that people are searching on Google when they're searching for a photographer in your area. Second, you need to start tweaking your website so that Google kind of serves you up the right people when you're using these keywords. And we're not talking about doing paying ads. We're talking about organic search results that really are super effective, and you don't need to pay for that. And then third, you need to tweak your website so that you actually book the clients once they get there. So by doing these three simple things, you can get high ticket, highly motivated clients to your photography site for free without paying for advertising or anything like that. So imagine that. You're getting a steady stream of income with higher paying photography clients coming right to you, and it's all for free. So if you want to learn a little bit more how to do this kind of stuff, check out joyfreeclass.com. It's a totally free class that I'm teaching on how to do just those three things so that you can get higher ticket photography clients consistently. And it's all for free without paying for ads. So check it out, joyfreeclass.com.